Today we learn about meals of the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. These are the main meals English speakers eat every day. Each meal has a special time and purpose in daily routine. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. People eat breakfast in the morning between 6 and 9. It gives energy for work and school after sleeping all night. Lunch is the midday meal. People usually eat lunch between 12 and 2 in the afternoon. It is often bigger than breakfast and gives energy for the afternoon. Dinner is the main evening meal. People eat dinner between 6 and 9 at night. It is usually the biggest meal and often more formal than other meals. Brunch combines breakfast and lunch. People eat brunch late morning between 10 and 1. It is popular on weekends when sleeping late or for social gatherings. Full English breakfast is a traditional hearty morning meal. It includes eggs, sausages, bacon, tomatoes, mushrooms, and fried bread. English people call it a fry-up. Snack means a small amount of food. People eat snacks anytime between main meals. Common snacks include fruit, nuts, or cookies when feeling hungry. Here is the daily meals schedule. Breakfast 6 to 9 morning, lunch 12 to 2 afternoon, dinner 6 to 9 evening. Snacks anytime between meals. Practice these times and names.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.